In this section, we will cover battery removal and installation. First and foremost, make sure that your weapon is safe. Make sure there's nothing in the muzzle end and the weapon is on safe. At this point, you'll go ahead and remove the battery cover using gentle force. And then using gentle force again, you will shimmy the battery out of the battery well. The connecting points, you will push right against the battery wall and remove the battery. To reinstall, you'll do it in reverse order. You'll take the connector point and install it and reinstall the battery. With the battery now installed, you'll reattach the battery cap. Once you do so, you'll arm the device momentarily to ensure that the battery is properly installed.